Hello, class. Let us begin a new lesson, that is weather, climate, and adaptations of animals to climate. In this lesson, we will be studying the meaning of weather and climate. At the same time, we will be studying about few animals living in polar regions and in tropical rainforest. Usually, your parents will ask you to carry an umbrella if the sky is cloudy. You might have heard elders in your family discussing the weather before they plan for a family function. In the games, also, like in hockey or in cricket, you might have heard the experts of the games discussing the weather before they start the game. The weather may have a profound effect on the game. So, the experts they start discussing about the weather before beginning the game. It has a profound effect on our lives. Many of our daily activities are planned based on the weather predicted for that day. You also hear weather reports on the television or in the radio or in the newspapers also. We find that the daily weather report carries information about the temperature, humidity, and rainfall during the past 24 hours. It also predicts the weather for the day. So, what is humidity? Humidity is the measure of moisture content in air. So, the weather reports are predicted by the meteorological department of the government. This department collects data on temperature, wind, humidity, and rainfall and makes the weather prediction. Children, how do you think the rainfall is measured? To measure the rainfall, there is an instrument called rain gauge. It has got a measuring cylinder on top of which a funnel is kept in order to collect the rainwater. So, do you think all the 7 days of the week have the same temperatures, humidity, and rainfall? No, it is different. It differs from time to time, day to day, and from week to week. The temperatures may change, the humidity may differ, and the rainfall also changes. So, what is weather now? The day to day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, and wind speed is called the weather of that place. What is weather? Conditions of the day with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, and so on is called as the weather of that place. And this temperature, humidity, rainfall, and wind speed is called the elements of the weather. The weather of a place changes day after day and week after week. So, the weather is such a complex phenomenon that it can vary over very short period of time. It can happen sometimes that it is sunny in the morning but suddenly clouds appear from nowhere and it starts raining heavily, or a heavy rain may vanish in a matter of minutes and give way to bright sunlight. For the weather report of a place, maximum and minimum temperatures must be recorded. For this purpose, there are maximum and minimum thermometers from which the temperatures can be recorded. The maximum temperature of the day occurs generally in the afternoon, and the minimum temperatures occur generally in the early morning. All changes in the weather are caused by the sun. So, the sun is the primary source of energy that causes changes in the weather. The sun is a huge sphere of hot gases at a very high temperature. The distance of the sun from us is very large. Even then, the energy spent out by the sun is so huge that it is the source of all heat and light on the earth. Energy absorbed and reflected by the earth's surface, oceans, and the atmosphere play important roles in determining the weather at a place. Let us study about climate. The weather of a place will be recorded every day by the meteorologists. The record of the weather have been preserved for the past several decades. This helps us to determine the weather pattern of a place. So, how to determine the climate? With the help of the weather pattern of a place, we can determine the climate of that particular place. So, what is climate? The average weather pattern taken over a long time, it may be for 25 years, is called the climate of that place. What is climate? The average weather pattern taken over a long period of time is called the climate of that place. For example, if we find that the temperature at a place is high most of the time, then we can say that the climate of that place is hot. If there is also heavy rainfall on most of the days in the same place, then we can say that the climate of that place is hot and wet. Children, if we take the example of Rajasthan, the temperature is high during most part of the year, but during winter the temperature is quite low. This region receives very little rainfall also. So, it has got the typical desert climate, that is hot and dry. The northeastern India, like Assam, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Tripura, receive rain for a major part of the year. Therefore, we can say that the climate of northeast is wet.